Hey everyone, welcome back to today. We're diving into a topic that affects every car owner: fuel myths. There are so many misconceptions out there that can cost you money and even damage your vehicle. So let's bust these myths wide open. Here are 7 fuel myths that you might still believe. Myth number 1, using premium fuel will give you better mileage. This is a classic misconception. Many people think that if they fill up with premium gasoline, their car will run more efficiently. But here's the truth: unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, using it won't significantly improve your mileage. Most cars are designed to run on regular gasoline, and using premium is just wasting your money. Myth number 2, ethanol is bad for your engine. Many folks believe that ethanol causes engine damage, but the reality is that most modern engines are designed to handle ethanol blends. In fact, ethanol can help reduce emissions and is often cheaper. Just make sure to check your owner's manual for the recommended fuel type. Myth number 3, filling up at night is better for your wallet. Some people think that gas is denser when it's cooler at night, so they'll save money by filling up after sunset. While it's true that gas is denser in cooler temperatures, gas stations store fuel underground, where the temperature remains constant. So whether you fill up during the day or at night, you're getting the same amount of gas. Myth number 4, you should let your fuel tank run low before refilling. This myth can actually harm your vehicle. Running your tank low can cause sediment at the bottom of the tank to clog your fuel filter and pump. It's best to refill when you hit a quarter tank to avoid potential damage and ensure your fuel system runs smoothly. Myth number 5, premium fuel cleans your engine better than regular. While it's true that some premium fuels contain detergents, it doesn't mean that regular fuel is dirty. Most gasoline sold today has detergents added to meet EPA regulations. If you're diligent about regular maintenance, your engine will stay clean regardless of the fuel you use. Myth number 6, topping off your tank is a good idea. Many people think that filling the tank to the brim will give them more fuel, but this practice can actually cause overflow and release harmful vapors into the atmosphere. It can also damage the charcoal canister, which is part of your car's emission system. So, let the pump click off and avoid topping off. And finally, myth number 7, all gas stations are the same. This is simply not true. Different stations may have different fuel quality, which can affect your car's performance and longevity. It's generally a good idea to stick with reputable brands that you trust. Look for stations that have a good turnover rate to ensure you're getting fresh fuel. So there you have it. 7 fuel myths that you might have believed but are actually just that, myths. By being informed, you can save money and keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.